Hey, what's up guys? Chris Combs here running my video for the KPJ lot. Let's grab our list here. We got Mark for 1, John for 1, Mark for 1, John for 2, Mark for another one, John for another one, Mark for 2, John for the final one. And we are gonna go live. And live time is 9:48. Current time is 9:48. Go to run a giveaway. Paste our list. Alright, we're going to roll the dice. Anything over snake eyes, I believe, gets us going. Here we go. Dice roll at 9:49. Here we go. Gonna go 5 times. Good luck, you guys. Let's see here. Whatever. Alright. Go ahead. First time at 9:49. We got John. Second time we got Mark. Third time Mark. Fourth time Mark. Fifth and final at 9:49. Winner is John with spot number 10. Congratulations, John. There's our verification code. We are going back. We are going to go done. Our done time is 9:49. Current time 9:49. Thank you guys very much and have a great rest of your Monday night.